Today we're going to show how to disassemble a Mont Blanc handpiece for cleaning. So right now this one is completely assembled and it has the drill stopper in place. We'll also show that you can remove the drill stopper completely should you not want to use it. So first take off the black irrigation clip completely. There's a slide here, it's kind of hidden, that you push to one side. Once it's to the side you can pull off the head of the handpiece. You can then pull out this part to disassemble into 3 components. Plus, there's a little groove which holds the drill stopper assembly. You can then clean each of these parts using handpiece oil, lubricant, and then reassemble. To reassemble, it's easiest if you do it in the correct order. They've indicated this by putting a 1 as opposed to a 2. A 1, which is the side that would go in first. So the 1 goes into the head of the handpiece. Notice that there are small grooves here, so it only fits in one direction, and it has to fit in completely. Once that's all the way in, insert the remaining part over the edge, click all the way down into place, and slide. So now, the drill stopper is not included. If I want to reattach it all with the drill stopper, we have to first slide it in place, like that. Begin with the number 1. And that's it.